The 5-minute guitar lesson for beginners. I hope you're as excited as I am. Even though this lesson is only 5 minutes long, remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you'd like.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to play a quick and easy 12-bar blues song. So you can impress mum, dad, grandma, your sis and friends. They will be amazed at how you know how to play this song. So please listen carefully and make sure to watch the video to the end. And maybe take some notes. And remember to just have fun and play along with me. Here we go. We're going to be playing power chords in this, or what we call 5 chords. And 5 chords basically are the top or the 2 lowest notes of the chord. Now, if you're struggling playing chords, this is going to be great because it's just the first step into playing chords. We're quickly just going to go over the 3 chords you're going to learn, which is A5, D5 and E5. And then we're going to piece it together. So for the D5, we're placing our first finger on string 3 at the 2nd fret. And then what we're going to do here is we're just going to strum string 4 and 3 only. Now I'm using a guitar pick, but if you don't have a guitar pick, you can also use your thumb. So then to get to the A5, all we're going to do is just hop the finger onto string 4 like this, and now we're going to strum just string 5 and 4. And then to get the E5, we're just going to move the finger up again. And now we're strumming string 6 and 5 like this. Now the tricky thing is about this is that sometimes we can go too far and start strumming the unwanted notes and strings. So what you might want to do is to just hold down the chord and just practice blending those 2 notes together and trying to put the brakes on the 2nd note of the chord until you find that you've got accuracy there. Now if you're a little bit buzzy, if you're getting buzzy sounds, a quick fix for that is to just tuck the finger behind the frets. We're less buzzy when we play here. And another thing you can do is to play right on the fingertip, like the bony part of the finger, and then keeping the string pinned to the fretboard. Now if you're a beginner, that's probably going to hurt your finger, so that does come with a health warning. So those are the things to remedy fret buzz and just practice the chords first. Now we're going to jump in and we're going to piece it together. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love you to subscribe and help you to become that next Disney star. And when you are that Disney star, I hope you remember me. Also, please share this video with at least 3 people who would love to learn today's lesson and who you think might benefit from it. Down strums, but we want to count them in sets of 4, so kind of like this. So I've got my pick here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the A5, we then go to the D5. Now we have 2 bars here. So this is going to be 8 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to jump back to A5, and this is 2 bars. So now we've got 8 strums on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And then we're going to jump onto the E5 and we have 1 bar, so it's just 4 strums on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the D5 for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on to the A5 for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on to the E5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you're good at maths and you counted all those bars, you'll realize that we have 12 bars. Now, this 12-bar blues sequence is just so popular. It's in most rock and roll music. I hear it in George Ezra's songs, and it's still just a really popular thing to do. So now I'm just going to quickly jump into the play along and piece it all together. If you want more fun tutorials just like this, please check out the playlist in the description of this video. Days, which is a beginner book for kids 6+, and it's a 30-day challenge. So if you thrive with challenges and would like to take little steps to playing your first 10 songs, then this book is going to be for you. So each day, all you need to do is to just turn one of the pages, and then it gives you a little fun challenge to do. And it gives you facts and did you knows. And it also lays out what you need to do on that specific day, and what the outcome is, and how long you need to practice for. So you can see here, day 1, it's all about just learning the parts of the guitar. And we just take little steps each day to building you up to playing 10 incredibly fun songs. All the children who've taken this book and taken this course absolutely love it. And at the end, on day 30, you get to do your Guitar Star performance. For family and friends, and the book talks you through that, where you can choose one of the 10 songs and play in front of grandma, in front of your sister, and mum and dad to surprise them all. And not only that, you are rewarded with a completion certificate that you can cut out the book and then stick on the fridge for everyone to see. So buying this low-cost book really helps to support the channel as well, and future videos like this. Now you can get this book and start taking your challenge right now by clicking the link in the description below. And I really hope you will take that challenge with me. We are all in this together, this guitar learning journey. We are trying to help you every single day and every single week with our tutorials. I appreciate you for watching this video today. That's my time, and see you soon.